Take your time to talk with God. Talk to God today. Tell Him everything that you're struggling with, what you're going through. How do you talk to God when you feel like giving up? Giving up on Him, on your dreams, giving up on life. Hey, how are you doing? Let's go to James, my namesake. Chapter 1, read verse 12. Blessed is the man that endure temptation, for when he is tried, he shall receive the crown of life, which the Lord hath promised to them that love him. So God, He is a man that is full of promise. Here, crown of life. This is a gift, Yes, we will receive it. So whatever is it that you're going through, hey, this too shall pass. Apply grace and know that you are not in it alone. Talk to the Lord today, and you can talk to me as well. You can reach out to me at